We learned the XLOOKUP function in an earlier video, and in this video, we'll practice XLOOKUP's simple exact match. We have a sales data table, which is incomplete, and a products table that contains information about each product. We need to find each product's price and discount and bring them all using the XLOOKUP function. Let's begin with the unit price. In the price column, we are writing the XLOOKUP function. First, we should input the lookup value, that is the product name. Then, the lookup array, which is the product name column in the product table. With Fn plus F4, we should make the range an absolute reference. If we don't do this, when the formula is copied to the rows below, the range will change and the result will not be correct. Next is the return array, the column we need to return. Here, we select the price column and make it absolute as well. The first three inputs are enough, but we can also add a value for the if not found option. Here's the result. All the prices for each product have appeared correctly. Next, let's bring the discounts. We'll do it the same way as the price. For the lookup value, we choose the product name, and for the lookup array, we select the name column from the product table. It finds the index of the product in the product table and returns the matching value from the discount column. Don't forget to make the ranges absolute. This is required, but if you want, you can write not found in case no value is found. Now, all discount values for the products are filled correctly. Next, let's fill the total sales column. For this, we simply multiply the units by the unit price and apply the formula to all rows. Now we have unit price, total sales, and discount, and we should calculate net sales. For net sales, we multiply total sales by 1 minus discount. Or we can calculate it as total sales minus total sales multiplied by discount. Both methods give the same result. Additionally, to get total values, select the cell and press Alt plus equals. It will automatically calculate the sum of that column. It's a basic task, but in the next video, we'll work on advanced formulas using XLOOKUP.